Welcome to Vignana Jyoti YouTube channel. Today I am here with you to explain some problems which comes under reasoning and proof. In this one, I have to explain find k in different cases. If you go through the problems, the first problem is like this. Just watch it and try to solve it. You have to pause the question and watch it, solve it. After solving, then go to answer. Here the answer is like that. Here we have three terms. Those terms can be taken as, the first term can be taken as A, and second term can be taken as B, then third term can be taken as C. If A, B, C are in GP, the formula is like this: B square is equal to AC. Then you substitute the value of B, okay, then the value of A and then value of C. Then you go through the calculation. It is nothing but A plus B whole square. This is A square, okay, plus 2AB plus B square. Here you have to multiply this K and K plus 6. K into K square, then K into plus 6 is nothing but 6K. Thereafter you see here, this K square and this K square should be cancelled. Thereafter you have to transpose this plus 4K to RHS, it becomes minus 4K. You have 4 in LHS. Therefore, it is nothing but 2K. Therefore, K is equal 4 by 2. It is nothing but 2. Then go for next problem. Just pause it, watch it and try for solution. Okay. In solution, first of all, you have to write down the values of A, x square coefficient. Then you take x coefficient as B. Then you take constant as C, isn't it? Then for equal roots, we have the formula D, that is nothing but B square minus 4AC is equal 0. Okay, here you substitute the relevant values. B is K, okay, A is 2, C is 3 according this. Okay, then you have to calculate these values, nothing but 24. Then you have to find K. This square is transposed to this side, it becomes root. So this 24 can be written as 4 into 6, that is root 4 into root 6. That means root 4 means 2. Therefore, we have the K is nothing but 2 into root 6. Then go to next problem. Pause it, watch it and try to solve it. Now the solution is, here given n of P of A is equal to 64. What is the formula of n of P of A? It is nothing but 2 to the power of n of A is equal to 64, isn't it? Here we have exponent form. In this exponent form, 2 is the base. Therefore, you have to write this 64 in exponent form, base as 2. Therefore, it is nothing but 2 to the power of 6. Therefore, bases are equal. Therefore, exponent should be equal. Therefore, n of A is equal 6, isn't it? Then go to next one. Pause it, watch it and try to solve it. Then go for solution. Here, according to the problem, both numerators are equal, 7, 7. The denominator is like this, 80. So 80 can be written as 16 into 5, isn't it? Therefore, according to the problem, this 80 can be written as 2 power 4 into 5 over K. Therefore, here 16 can be written as 2 power 4, 5 can be written as 5 to the power of 1. Whenever you compare, here 2 power 4, here 2 power 4 should be cancelled. Therefore, 5 to the power of K is equal 5 to the power of 1. Therefore, here bases are equal. Therefore, exponent should be equal. Is it clear? Then go for next problem. So the problem is like this. You have to pause the video, then watch it, then try to get the solution. Now we will go for the answer. Okay, represents parallel lines. If lines are parallel, then what is the condition? You know that A1 by A2 is equal B1 by B2. So you have to substitute the values. A1 is nothing but x coefficient in first equation, that is 2. A2, x coefficient in second equation, that is 4. Here B1, y coefficient in first equation, it is nothing but minus K. Here B2, the y coefficient in second equation, it is nothing but 6. Thereafter, by go through the cross multiplication, you have like this, 2 into 6 by 4 is equal to minus k. So here, after cancellations, 2 6 are 12, 12 by 4, nothing but 3, 3 is equal to minus k, but actually we have to get the value of k, therefore k is equal to minus 3, isn't it? Then go for next problem. Please pause it, that means stop the video and watch the problem, try to get the solution. Now we go to solution. Here sum of the zeros are given. So what is the formula for sum of zeros? It is nothing but minus b by a. Here b is x square coefficient and here a is x cube coefficient. According to problem, a is equal to 2, that means x cube coefficient, b is equal to k, it is x square coefficient, is equal to how much? 5 by 2, it is given value. You have to substitute the value of b is k, then this write down this by as it is, then the value of a is equal to 2. So here you have denominator in 2, here also you have denominator in 2. Here both denominators are equal, therefore both numerators should be equal. Therefore minus k is equal to 5. We have to find the value of k only. Therefore k is nothing but minus 5. Shall we go for another problem? Sure. Now problem number 7. Please stop the video and watch it. Try to solve. Then go for solution. Here 5 comma minus 2 is a solution. Solution means this 5 comma minus 2 is satisfying with the given equation. Therefore, I will write 5 in place of x. I will write minus 2 in place of y in the given equation. So the equation is like this, k, x, here there we have x. You have to write 5 plus, then you have 2y. In place of y, you will write this minus 2, okay, is equal to 11. Therefore, it is nothing but 5k. This plus into minus minus, 2 2s are 4 is equal to 11. Therefore, you have to transpose minus 4 to this side, it becomes plus 4. Here 5k is equal to 15, k is equal to 15 by 5. You have to transpose this side, you have to transpose this 5 to RHS, it becomes by 5. Therefore, k is equal to 3. Okay, then go for another problem. Please stop the video and watch it. Try to get the solution. Okay, shall we move? Yes. Here the concept is given two numbers HCF and LCM. What is the formula? HCF into LCM is equal product of numbers. So according to given problem, HCF is given as 11. LCM is given 253 into k. This is the LCM value given in the problem. This is HCF value. Is equal to what are the numbers? 253 into 440. Thereafter, this green color 253, this green color 253 should be cancelled. Here you have 11 into k. Okay, here you have only 440. To find the value of k, you have to transpose this 11. It becomes by 11, isn't it? By go through the cancellations, 11 ones, here 11 fours, 0 will be keep it. K is nothing but 40, isn't it? Then go to ninth problem. Pause the video, watch it and try to get the solution. Okay, shall we go to answer? Yes. Here given, you have to compare the given equation. A is equal to 3, B is equal to K, C is equal to 1 by 3. What is the given condition? Discriminant is 0. That means D is equal to 0. D means it is nothing but B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. Thereafter you substitute in place of B is K. Then you have to write down minus as it is. Then you have to write down this 4 as it is. Then you have to write 3 in place of 3. Then you have to write 1 by 3 in place of C. Isn't it? E is equal to 0. This 0 is carry forwarded. Then you have to k square keep as it is. Here minus into plus. Okay, it is nothing but this 3 and this 3 should be cancelled. Therefore, 4 ones are 4. Is equal to 0. You have to transpose minus 4. It becomes plus 4. Thereafter you have to transpose this square. It becomes root 4. Root 4 is nothing but here you have plus or minus 2. Isn't it? Then go for 10th problem. As usual, stop the video. Watch the problem. Try to get the solution. Shall we move? Yes, here the system is given independent system. So dependent system means the condition is like this: a1 by a2 is equal b1 by b2 is equal c1 by c2, isn't it? Thereafter you have to substitute. A1 is nothing but the x coefficient in first equation, nothing but 2. A2 means x coefficient in second equation, it is nothing but 4. B1, y coefficient of first equation, it is minus 3. B2, the y coefficient of second equation, it is minus k. Here you have simply observed this minus and this minus should be cancelled. Here you get 2 ones and here you will get 2 2s. Therefore you will get 1 by 2. Here you get, after cancelling the both minuses, you have to get 3 by k. Thereafter you have to cross multiplication, that is 1 into this k is k. Therefore this 2 into 3 becomes 6. Is it clear? Then go for 11th one. The problem is like this. Watch it and solve it. Shall we move? Here the given condition is the quadratic equation has distinct real roots. Before going to the problem, you have to write down the value of a, that means x square coefficient. This is b, nothing but x coefficient. C, nothing but constant. You have to write down the values of a and b and c first of all. Then come to here. When we have distant real roots, it is clearly, you know, that b square minus 4ac greater than 0. That means if you transpose minus 4ac to this side, it minus 4ac becomes plus 4ac. Thereafter substitution is going on. In place of b, I will write k. Here 4k should be keep as it is. Here a is nothing but, according to the one, this one, a is equal to 1. Then c, according to this one, c is 5. Therefore what? 5. So the product is nothing but 4 into 1 into 5, 20. You have to find the value of k only. Therefore you have to transpose this square to this side. It becomes root. Therefore the final result is k greater than root 20. Okay. The next problem. Stop the video and try to solve it. Then we go for solution. Here the problem mentioned for unique solution. When we have a unique solution, according to formula, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Thereafter you will substitute the relevant values. Then you will get like this: 2 by k not equal to 1 by minus 2. Thereafter the cross multiplication, this k into this one is nothing but k. Then this 2 into minus 2, okay, is nothing but minus 4. The answer is k not equal to minus 4. That means k takes any value other than minus 4. Then go to 13th problem. It is on logarithms. Okay, then go for solution. Here the given condition is like this. Okay, isn't it? Here you can find 1 log. Here also you can find 1 log. But this log contains coefficient. Therefore this coefficient keeps as the exponent of the function. Therefore here you have log, here you have log, both should be cancelled if you like that. That means applying anti-log. Then you have k plus 3 whole cube this side you have 3 cube. Here both exponents are equal, here 3, here 3. So therefore the bases should be equal, isn't it? The bases should be equal. K plus 3 is equal to 3. If you will transpose plus 3, it becomes minus 3. Therefore k is equal to 0. Then go for last but one. 14th problem. Okay. Then go for solution. Here the given equation is like this. Since 1 is root, the given 1 is root. So root means the 1 is satisfies the given equation. So satisfies means whenever you have the variable x, you have to put 1, you will get both LHS and RHS should be equal. Therefore you will substitute in place of x. This one, it is nothing but you have to write down 3. Here x square is nothing but 1 square. This minus keeps as it is. This k keeps as it is. This x I will write 1 according to this one. Then this plus to take it as it is. Then by through calculation 1 square is nothing but 1. Therefore 3 into 1 3. Here minus into plus minus. K into 1 is nothing but k. Plus 2 is equal to 0. Then this minus k is transposed to RHS. This minus k becomes plus k. Therefore the remaining 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Therefore k is equal to 5. Go for last one. Okay, shall we move? Here the concept is on polynomials. The previous one is on quadratic equations, and here this is a quadratic polynomial. Here minus 5 is a 0. That means this minus 5, whenever you substitute this minus 5 in the given polynomial, the answer should be 0. Then only we say is 0. Therefore, you have to substitute wherever you find x minus with minus 5. Okay, this is x square minus 5 whole square. There we have plus 7x. In place of x I will write minus 5. There we have plus k. You can take add is equal 0. It is nothing but 25. Here plus into minus minus 7 5s 35 plus k is equal to 0. Therefore minus 10 plus k is equal to 0. Therefore k is equal to 10. Thank you for watching this video.